Let's see how to install Zoom on Android. Do not forget please to like, share and subscribe. Tap on Google Play. On the search above, write Zoom. After you have found the app, just tap on Install and wait. After the install is complete, just tap on Open. You have now installed Zoom on your Android device. The next step is to join a meeting or just sign up for a new account or sign in into your old account. I will show you how to do this in a future video. You can check the description of the video for this. If this was useful, please like, share and subscribe. Also, if you have any questions, please ask them on the comments area below.